Hi guys, today we are in Hakone, Japan at a traditional Japanese ryokan at the Hoshino Resorts KAI Sengokuhara. And we are in a room with private onsen, and I'm going to give you a little tour of our room. So here we are in room 203, and as you walk in you have your Japanese entryway to leave your shoes. And this door closes here, and when you walk in first, you have a spot for your luggage, as well as a beautiful work area. The views here are amazing. And then on this side, you also have a closet with pajamas, additional slippers, and a safe. And then walking into the right is where you have your bedroom living room area with traditional tatami mat flooring, flat screen TV, hot water. And then outside, they do give you slippers for coming in, and then also for when you're outside, and then a separate slippers you'll see for the toilet area, as well as a seating area. And back here for your bedroom. And then here in this storage unit, you have your coffee and tea, which I guess you put the tea coffee on here and let it drip through. As well as some storage and a mini fridge here. And prices for your mini bar. And then from the entryway, making your way left, we have the bathroom area, toilet with bidet, and separate shoes to be used in the toilet area. Nice big counter for getting ready. And all the amenities you could need here. We have soap, face soap, hand soap, cleansing, I guess some kind of cleansing soap for your face, lotion, milk lotion, and body lotion. As well down here of an amenities kit. And in our amenities kit, we have toothbrush, hairbrush, Q-tips, hair tie. You have tissues and some cups, as well as a hair dryer. And then from this area, you have your shower, and beyond the shower, your private onsen. So here in the shower, they do include body soap, conditioner, and shampoo. And then once you are finished showering off, you can use your private onsen with a view. And they will adjust the temperature at reception if you ask. And then for out here on the balcony, you have your separate outside shoes. With great views. And this balcony goes on past your work area and the other side of the onsen here. Let me know what you think down below of a hotel like this, if you would stay in a traditional Japanese hotel while on your trip to Japan. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and hit that like button. And I hope to see you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.